everyone, and welcome to Inspired Foodies. Today's recipe is the Croix Tangerine Mocktail. In order to make this mocktail, you need 1 whole lime juice, a cup of frozen peaches, pineapple juice, specifically Tangerine LaCroix, and some ice. So let's get started. I'm going to start with putting ice. Then I'm going to add the frozen peaches. This is exactly 1 cup. Next, I'm going to add the lime juice. For pineapple juice, we need about half a cup of pineapple juice. And as for the Tangerine LaCroix sparkling water, we're going to need 1 cup. And we're going to take all of these ingredients and blend them together. And now it's nicely blended smooth. Now for the final steps, we're gonna sugar the rims of this glass. And we're going to pour our mocktail in each. And we're going to serve each with a wedge of lime. And there you have it, the Tangerine LaCroix Mocktail. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If you have any comments or suggestions, leave them down below. If you want to see any specific recipes, please let us know down below as well. You can follow us on Twitter, Snapchat, Facebook, and Instagram as well. We have also other mocktail recipes on the channel if you're interested for more. Thank you again for watching. See you next time, foodies.